Hi everyone, my name is Brooke. I'm a senior here at Indiana University, Bloomington, majoring in speech and hearing sciences with a minor in social welfare and advocacy. I'm born and raised in Commack, New York, which is out on Long Island, and it is a small town right center in the middle of the island. Something fun to help you remember me is that last summer I had the chance to study abroad in Barcelona. I was there from January to May, and it was the best experience of a lifetime. While I was there, I actually did a research project on an Italian restaurant in the city, located in the heart of Spain, which made it different from other restaurants there. I spent a lot of time observing how people interact through food and culture. I think that the experience really stuck with me, because I realized how much you can learn about people just by watching the way they move, eat, and communicate with each other. Outside of academics, I've worked as a nanny and even an Italian market back home, so I've always enjoyed being in roles that connect me with others. The most special role that I've had was being an intern at a pediatric practice this past summer, where I've worked with kids focusing on my major of speech and helping them better pronounce their sounds and verbs, which help them really communicate and better have talking skills. When I think about my daily life, one thing I realize is that I'm very dependent on society for food. I don't grow any of my own food or even think too much about it and where it comes from most days. But if you break it down, it's definitely amazing how many people and systems are involved just to get something simple like a sandwich. Farmers grow the wheat and vegetables, factory workers process and package and ingredients, and truck drivers help transport them all over the country. Finally, grocery workers employ and stock the shelves every day, making sure that citizens are able to get whatever they need at their local grocery store. Even the restaurant and local businesses that I grab food for are part of this bigger chain. Without the whole system being able to work together, my daily routines in life would be completely shifted. From grabbing a coffee before class to making dinner at home with all my roommates, this wouldn't be possible if one simple thing was changed. I think that the most interesting thing is that our society organizes us in a way that's almost invisible to us. We don't ever see all the steps or the people involved. We just swipe our credit card and eat our food. But when I pause and really reflect on this, it makes me appreciate how interconnected we really are. It also reminds me that when something in the chain breaks, like during the pandemic, when supply chains were absolutely disrupted, it really affects everyone, especially my family. For me, this shows how society just isn't a simple idea. It's something that shapes our everyday lives in really, really important and tangible ways. So, in short, that's a little bit about me, my background, a fun experience I was able to have, and one way I see myself connected to the bigger picture of society. I'm really looking forward to this class and to learning how to notice these more connections a lot deeper, while also learning about sociology in a bigger form.